Hello everybody, and today I am going to tell you about one important form on integration. And there are four trigonometric formulas: to sin A into cos B, to cos A into sin B, to sin A into sin B, to cos A into cos B. I am writing those formulas and how to apply these formulas. See here, to sin A into cos B, the formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, and to cos A into sin B, it is sin A minus A plus B minus sin A minus B, and to cos A into cos B, it is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, and to sin A into sin B minus, or directly you can write cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. In the last formula, A minus B is written first, but in all other cases it is A plus B and the second part is A minus B. See here, and it will be better take the larger angle as A. Please take the larger angle as A and the smaller angle as B, so that one step will be reduced. Clearly, try it. If we take the larger angle as A and the smaller angle as B, then one step will be reduced. Okay, see here. Now, if the integration is like this: sin 2x into cos 3x into dx. So this is in the formula sin A into cos B, sin A into cos B. Clear? So, but here 2 should be there. So in this case, multiply 1 by 2 outside and 2. That will divide 2 and multiply 2 inside. Okay. And while multiplying, I have told you, take the larger angle as A and you should write that function first and the other function second. So this one is 3x, this one is 2x. So write cos 3x first into cos 2x into sin 2x into dx. So now it becomes 2 cos into sin b. So 2 cos into sin b. What is the formula? 1 by 2 integration sin A plus B. A plus B will be 5x minus sin A minus B. This minus this will be x into dx. So that what the formula for sin mx, I have told you, is minus 1 by 5 cos 5x minus, and here m is 1, so minus was plus, so it will be simply cos x, so plus c. So this is the answer. Clear? Now, see another question. Cos 5x into cos 2x into dx. So simply divide 2 and multiply 2, and this is the larger angle, so this part should be written first and this part should be written second. So 1 by 2, what is the formula? 2 cos A into cos B, 2 cos A into cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Clear? So cos A plus B, cos A plus B, 5x plus 2x, it is 7x, plus cos A minus B, 5x minus 2x, it is 3x into dx. So it is equal to 1 by 2. Apply the formula cos mx, it is 1 by m sin mx. Okay? So 1 by 7, it is sin 7x, plus it is 1 by 3 sin 3x. So plus c. This is the answer. Okay? Now, another time I am giving you, and I will give you some questions. So please do those questions. And for formula is your integration sin 3x into sin 5x into dx. So divide 2 and multiply 2, you should write the larger angle first, sin 5x into sin 3x into dx. So what is the formula? 2 sin A into sin B? cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So it is cos a minus b. This minus this. It is 2x minus cos a plus b. It is 8x into dx. So 1 by 2. So apply the formula cos mx, and the formula for cos mx is 1 by m sin mx. So 1 by 2 sin 2x minus 1 by 8 sin 8x. So this is the answer. Okay, and slightly I am modifying the question. See here, sin 3x into sin x into cos 5x. I am taking 3 terms. So how to solve? See here, first of all multiply 2 and divide 2 here. Divide 2 outside and multiply 2. And take any 2 terms. It depends upon you. It doesn't matter upon the final answer. Okay, I am taking these 2. And if you take these 2, so larger angle is 3x. So write sin 3x into sin x. Then put a bracket here. Then cos 5x. Clear? So then apply the formula. You have 2 sin a to sin b. It is cos a minus c minus cos a plus b. Here, so cos a minus b. 3x minus x, it is 2x. Minus cos a plus b. 3x plus x, it is 4x into cos 5x into dx. So it is 1 by 2 integration, then multiply. And while multiplying, I have told you, write the larger angle first and smaller angle second. So this is the larger angle, this is 5x, this is 2x, so write this one first. Cos 5x into cos 2x. Then minus, this is also between these two, this is the larger angle, so cos 5x into cos 4x into dx. Clear? So I am multiplying 2 here, dividing 2 and multiplying 2. Okay? So 1 by 4, 2 cos a into cos b, 2 cos a into cos b, cos a plus c plus cos a minus b. So write down cos a plus b, cos 5x plus 2x, it is 7x, plus cos a minus b, 5x minus 2x, it is 3x, minus is there. So I am putting a bracket here also. 2 cos a into cos b, this is cos a plus b, so 9x minus cos a minus b, 5x minus 4x, it is x into dx. 1 by 4 integration. Do the integration. Cos 7x plus cos 3x minus cos 9x plus cos x. I have opened the brackets. Then you can do the integration. This you can do better than me. Okay. So another question I am going to tell you how to find sin 6x dx. You can do, in my previous video I have told you, take sin square x whole cube. Sin 6x, you can write sin square x whole cube. But instead that I am taking, this is very important, sin cube x whole square. This is special type, special case. And in case of sin cube x, I have told you the formula for sin cube x. What the formula? Sin 3a minus 3 sin a minus sin 3a. This is x into 1 by 4 whole square into dx. So it will be 1 by 4 and whole square of this one. Clear? So the 3 sin a minus sin 3 divided by 4. The formula. Okay. Now 4 square is 16, so it will be 1 by 16 integration. So a minus b whole square. So 9 sin square x plus this is sin square 3x minus 2ab. 2ab. So 2 into 3 into sin x into sin 3x into dx. See here, lines this will be completed. 9. But the formula for sin square x, 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So I am writing 9 by 2. Plus sin square theta, it is 1 by 2, 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 into 3x, it is 6x. Sin square theta, here theta is 3x. 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 into 3x, it is 6x divided by 2. Okay, simply remember the formulas. Minus, I am writing 3 outside. 2 sin A into sin B. 2 sin A into sin B. Cos A minus C minus cos A plus B. I am taking larger angle as A. I have told you. 2 sin A to sin B. Cos A minus C minus cos A plus B. Cos A minus B. 3x minus x. It is 2x. Minus cos A plus B. 3x plus x. It is 4x. Into dx. So it is 1 by 16. So multiply 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 6x minus 3 cos 2x plus 3 cos 4x. Now you can do very easily. You can do. This is in the form of cos mx, this is cos mx, this is cos mx, this is also cos mx, and these two get added and we give us. Okay. Similarly, you can do for cos 6x. And this is special type. Instead of sin square x whole cube, if you write this one, it will be better. See here, within 4 to 5 minutes I have done it. And if you write like this, sin square x whole cube, it will take 8 to 9 or 7 to 8 lines. Clear? And it will become very complicated. Clear? So, I will give some questions in the description box. In the description, I will give some questions, and please do the problems so that you can remember the process, and hope you are waiting for my next video. Okay, perhaps tomorrow I will give you. That means after one day I will give you the next video. Okay, so today you should complete these problems. Okay, thank you.